Jesus says, I am the way.
Yesu joma geri.
I am the truth.
Mai jongbaru.
I am the life.
Mai tri.
Anyone who wants to come to the Father must come through Jesus.
Mamu Yesu rusi.
He is the way.
Ini geri.
We are here in Lokichogio, here at the border to South Sudan and Kenya. And as you see behind me, there's a meeting going on, and we have been going on for a whole week. I wanted to bring something to you because it is very important for us to see this issue. We need to renew our equipment as soon as possible. We need to renew our platform. We need to renew also the sound system. The sound system has been going for 16 years and over the most roughest roads, and we need to change the sound system. It is imperative because we are just realizing it's not going to hold out much longer. Also the lighting, we would like to, as the crowds are growing, we need to get more lighting so that people feel safe and can listen to the gospel, and also for our cameras that we'll be able to get footage that's going to help us to really get the gospel deep into the homes through video and through YouTube. And so I would like to invite you to join us. We need $50,000 to be able to get this whole package together. And I thank you for supporting us and standing with us all these years and even now in this project. God bless you so much.